Hello, everybody. Welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you guys are doing good. A very, very good evening to all of you. I would request you all to start your videos. Okay, I can see some lovely faces across the screen. Welcome to your talent round 2, ladies. I hope you guys are doing good, and I hope we are all set for the most awaited and the most glamorous round indeed. And all the best to everyone. This is your time to shine on. But before we start, we have a very, very special guest today with us, Sumedha. Sumedha from an existing batch, not the one for today's appearance. She is one of the top scorers from her respective batch, and she would be mentoring you. So, hi Sumedha, can we please have you on board?
Hello everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sumedha, for being here. So, Sumedha will be sharing her experience, and I think there is no reason to delay. Over to you, Sumedha.
Thank you so much, Harry. Hello, my lovely participants. How are you all? Okay. So first of all, starting with my introduction, I'm Sumedha Bhattacharjee from Kolkata and a participant of FSIA, like you all beautiful ladies from the different states. So I would like to thank FCR team for giving me an opportunity to share my experiences and my journey till today with all the co-participants present here. And of course, the judges who helped me to reach wherever I'm standing today. So before I start sharing my experiences with you all, I would like to say something about the platform and the reason why I'm participating in this platform. So the best part about this platform is that the platform covers women from all over the country, irrespective of their size, their age, their colors, and their shapes. The platform is not just about your makeup, your looks, but it's all about your personal development, right? It provides a great opportunity to women to see themselves, how far they can go outside their comfort zone and better themselves. It's a platform where the participants helps each other, supports each other. It's a place where one can showcase their talents, their skill, their strength to the whole country on a single digital platform. Here we all are the winners already. Okay. It's a way to learn important life skills while also having fun at the same time. The FCR team is always there to help us, to guide us. It is a life-changing process which makes you understand your inner potential and also boosts your confidence at the same time. Most importantly, you get to be the part of FCR community for the lifetime along with the many new opportunities. The platform has personally helped me to boost confidence and to groom up myself and of course to gain many new friends. So here I would like to share my journey to this platform with you all. So, since my childhood, I wanted to participate in a pageant. Like, मेरे को कुछ हटके करना है सब लोग से. I want to participate in a pageant. I want to be under the limelight. But, I didn't get that support. And the most important thing, I didn't get that suitable platform. Okay. So one day after I came to know about FCI and the entire thing about FCI, so I was like, chalo, I will participate. And I know I will win. I don't know, instantly confidence aa gaya dil mein. And then I registered myself. So after that, as you all know, I appeared for my audition. And that is in the month of April. Yeah, in the month of April, I gave my audition. And then I got selected. I appeared for my first round, then which was the introduction and the talent round. We had varieties of sessions before the round, which sessions were taken by many expertise. They really helped us and they groomed us. At the same time, they were very cooperative, very helpful, and no doubt very friendly. So after completing the round one successfully, the same way after the round one, the different juries came and they started training us, grooming us for the round two. And which was round two was basically of the makeup and photography round. So to be very honest, I had no zeal of idea regarding makeup. मेरे को थोड़ा सा भी makeup नहीं आता था. But after I attended the session, then I appeared for the round. I I can now say that yes, now I know a lot about makeover. And about now, if I say about the photography, yes, for that we had another jury member, and she guided us. She helped us. From her, we came to know many new things about this photography thing. We learned many new ways for editing the pictures. Then to capture picture from a correct angle, correct posture, and last but not the least, the correct time as well to take the picture. Okay, so the same way after the round one, I completed my round two as well. Then after the round two, the last round came, and that was the most interesting as well as the most important round. That was nothing but ramp walking round. For that, I was a bit nervous because अब क्या करूं, अभी थोड़ा हिल पहन के चलना पड़ेगा, this thing that thing. I have never been into hills, मैं क्या करूंगी. I was very nervous. But then after the session, I came to know that nervous रह के it's not going to happen. The main thing which is important for this round, that is confidence. अगर confident आप नहीं रहोगे तो नहीं होगा. You should be confident. You should feel that no, I will do it. I'm already the winner, yaar. I will do it. I will walk. Then after that, she taught us many new things regarding ramp walk. Like she gave us 5 exercises. अभी आप सब सोच रहे होंगे कि ramp walking के लिए exercises, but ramp walking के लिए there were exercises. Like number 1 was by leaning your back against the wall, holding that posture at least for 1 minute straight, and after that, by holding that posture, you need to walk. You need to start practicing. Number 2 was stretching your body on the daily basis. Okay, like daily basis body stretch करने से what happens? It opens your core and it brings a natural movement to your body. Okay. Then number 3 was belly dancing for the beginners, and as because we all are the beginners here, so it's a very good exercise for us. Sorry. It brings a natural sway to the hips and your waist. Like when you will walk, if you continuously practice that belly dancing thing, it will naturally bring a natural sway to your hips and your waist. So after that, the next exercise was before practicing, stand on one place, move your legs from your knees, standing on the toes without any heels, like this. Just like this you should practice it. And the last exercise was shifting weight from hip to the other hip. That is, with standing straight in a one position, should move your one weight from one hip to the other hip, at least for 10 times every day. So these were few exercises. Then इसके सिवा थे about, we also came to know about the shoes. Shoes के टाइम में हम लोग काफी confused रहते हैं, like what kind of shoes should we wear, like कैसा shoes पहनना चाहिए, क्योंकि heels में भी काफी सारे varieties आते हैं, right? एक होते हैं block heel type, एक होते हैं pencil pointed heel types, but the ideal shoe which we should wear.
I am so sorry to interrupt, but we are running a little short on time. आप शायद flow में बह गई हैं and you're not realizing that we have
Okay, sorry.
So thank you so much for being here with us, and let's get started. So let me just welcome our jury members for the day.
Thank you so much.
The jury members to start their videos. All right, welcome on board, ladies. We have 3 lovely ladies on the jury panel. First, of course, is Miss Kirti Chaudhary, who has been there since the beginning. Second, we have Shelza Suri, who is an official pageant groomer and has recently groomed you up close and personal. And last but not the least, we have Nidhi Shukla, who is another pageant groomer and is one of the winners of a recent pageants. So thank you for coming on board, ladies. It's an absolute pleasure having each one of you. And if you give me a heads up, I shall begin.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So the sequence would be Anvesha, Chaitanya, Bhagyashree, Poonam, Kamini. Hi, Anvesha.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How's the feeling?
I'm a little excited.
Good. The excitement should take over, and I'm sure you're going to rock. So, shall we start?
Yeah, ma'am. Done.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anvesha. Thank you so much. I would request Kirti ma'am to comment upon the performance.
Good evening, Harry. Good evening, all jury members. And good evening, Anvesha. Let me just tell you that I could not see your ramp walk at all. I could just see the upper half of your body. So this is for all the participants that please practice once before you're appearing for your final round, right? It's very, very important. You're just going to get this one chance. And trust me, this is your last chance before you become a finalist from your city. So why don't you practice before? Abhi Anvesha, jab aap walk kar rahe the, so even you could have seen that we were not able to see your legs. We were not able to see your footwear. So let me just give you another chance. Let's have your ramp walk once again. Just adjust your camera or your laptop or your phone, whatever you have, in a way that we can see you completely. All right. And this is for everyone. You won't be getting another chance. If it's taking time, we can move forward with the other participants.
Yeah, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, Anvesha, moving forward, let's hear it from Bhagyashree. Hi, Bhagyashree. भाग्यश्री आप म्यूट पे हैं.
ओके अनम्यूट. हेलो मैम.
हेलो, कैसी हैं आप?
बहुत अच्छी. आप कैसे हो मैम?
बढ़िया. आप बहुत ही प्यारी लग रही हैं. I love the light that is dropping on you. So are we all set?
Okay मैम. Yes मैम.
All the best. Go ahead.
Thank you मैम. Okay. Sound.
Thank you, Bhagyashree. Thank you so much. I would request Shelza to comment upon Bhagyashree's performance.
Sure, Harry. I quite liked Bhagyashree's performance. First thing that I noticed about her was the effort that she has put in by displaying the red carpet on which she has walked. And she's coordinated the red carpet with a red dress, completely perfectly backdropped with the night outdoor view. So I quite liked the whole effort. And she has given at least 5 poses. I did count. And I loved it. I loved it. Absolutely.
Thank you, Shelza. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bhagyashree. Moving forward, let's hear it from Poonam. Hi, Poonam.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. How are we feeling today?
I am very happy, ma'am.
Okay, are we all set?
Yeah, we are.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm instant.
Thank you, Poonam. Thank you so much. I would request Nidhi to comment upon your performance.
Sure, thank you, Harry. Hi, Poonam. First of all,
Hello,
आपकी
ma'am.
smile बहुत cute है. It's really nice. I'm
Thank
really
you, ma'am.
impressed क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा देखने को मिल रहा है कि जितने भी कंटेस्टेंट हैं वो लोग बहुत चीजों का ध्यान रख रहे हैं. आप लोगों को जो ग्रूमिंग सेशन में ट्रेनिंग में सिखाया जाता है आप लोग उस पर ध्यान दे रहे हो. फुटवेयर है, अटायर है, आपका मेकअप है, डू जो भी है. So it's really nice. आपने बहुत अच्छा सेटअप किया है वॉक के लिए. It's really good. All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Poonam. Thank you so much. And thank you, Nidhi. Moving forward, let's hear it from Kamini. And post her, the sequence would be Samruddhi, Prajakta, Namya, Anushka, and Pavli. Hi, Kamini.
Hi, Harry. How's you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking.
And I'm sure that you have prepared yourself finally for the second time because last time batch M's talent round got cancelled. So are we all set?
Yeah.
All the best. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I would request Kirti ma'am to comment upon your performance.
Thank you so much, Kamini. I love your makeup, your earrings, and the dress that you're wearing. It's so apt for today's Talent Round 3. Initially I felt that you are confident, but when you started walking, so you were kind of not able to maintain that balance. So that means you need to practice a little more. Yes, thoda sa aur practice karne ki zarurat hai. Otherwise, I totally liked your performance. Thank you so much and all the best from my side.
Thank you, Kamini. Thank you so much. Moving forward, let's hear it from Samruddhi. Hi, Samruddhi. Samruddhi, आप म्यूट पे हो.
हाय मैम.
कैसी हैं आप?
अच्छी हूँ मैम, आप कैसे हो?
बढ़िया. शुरू करें? आप तैयार हैं?
हाँ हाँ.
चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट.
यस मैम, थैंक यू. मैम, am I visible?
Yes, yes, Samruddhi, you are visible.
Thank you मैम.
Thank you, Samruddhi. Thank you so much. I would request Shahza to comment upon your performance. Shahza, आप म्यूट पे हो.
So I did see your ramp walk, Smriti. There are just two things that I would like to say. That whenever you are taking a twirl, always try to hold yourself after the twirl. Okay, if you will see the recording again, you will realize that you were walking a little haywire. When you're modeling, when you're walking the ramp, you're supposed to follow the line first. Secondly, smile more. You know, because smile is such a gadget God has gifted all of us that it corrects everything that goes wrong unintentionally by us. One perfect smile and a lot of your flaws get hidden. So smile more.
Yes ma'am.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Samruddhi. Thank you so much. And moving forward, let's hear it from Prajakta. Hi, Prajakta.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. And how about you?
I am good. All set in your little black dress?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all the best, Prajakta.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Prajakta. Thank you so much. I would request Nidhi to comment upon your performance.
हाय प्राजक्ता.
Hi, ma'am.
आप बहुत प्यारी लग रही हो, आपका ड्रेस भी बहुत सुंदर है. ओके प्राजक्ता, जब हम लोग वॉक करते हैं तो हमें हमारे बॉडी पे कंट्रोल रखना होता है।
Yes, ma'am.
आपके हैंड मूवमेंट्स बहुत बहुत ज्यादा है और वो भी आगे पीछे हो रहे हैं, राइट? सो वो आपकी वॉक को कहीं ना कहीं रोक रहे हैं। जो आपकी वॉक में दिखना चाहिए वो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, वो नहीं हो रहा है। आपके अपर बॉडी की मूवमेंट बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है, तो आप उसको करेक्ट कर लेना, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise it's good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, Prajakta. Thank you so much. And moving forward, let's have Namya. Hi, Namya.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Good, ma'am. And you?
I am good. You look lovely in that yellow dress. You're wearing a very, very bright color. So, are we all set?
Yes.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Namya. Thank you so much. I would request Kirti ma'am to comment upon your performance.
Thank you, Namya. First of all, you're looking really pretty. I love your neck piece, the footwear the dress that you've chosen, and also the preparation that you've done. So was it someone's birthday, or you just have these balloons for today's performance?
No, ma'am. This is my thoughts today.
Okay. No, that's really nice when you go that extra mile, while preparing for your performance. It, fetches you some extra points. But let me just tell you, you could have prepared a little more better for today's performance. I could see that you were in a hurry, right? So when you're doing anything for that matter, so, you need to take in some time. Thoda time dena padta hai, right? So jab aap ramp off kar rahe the, when you were taking those positions, so there's a pause that comes. Right, so those pauses, we need to see those pauses. अगर हमें पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आपने कोई position लिया, then how are we going to judge you? Right, so you seemed a little in hurry, but that can be improved once you're trained a little more. Yeah, all the best.
Thank you, Namya. Thank you so much. Next, we have Anushka. Post Anushka, the sequence would be Pavli, Lakshmi, Sumedha, Rashi, Meenakshi, and Sharda. Hi, Anushka.
Yes, ma'am. Hi.
How are you?
Yes, I am fine.
You look very, very pretty. So, are we all set?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anushka. Thank you so much. I would request Sharda to comment upon your performance.
So, Anushka, my compliments to you on doing the ramp with a lot of confidence. But I would like to give you a little suggestion here and there so that next time in your next round, you are careful. Always remember, my dear, that whatever dress that you're wearing, your underwear, your anything that you're wearing underneath shouldn't be visible. Okay? So always remember that any dress that you're wearing, the under anything that you wear beneath your dress shouldn't be visible when you're posing. First. Secondly, you were very hurriedly finishing your pose. So every time you pose, mentally just count for 3 seconds and then move, so that the jury members, they get enough time to appreciate your stance, your expression, your dress, and your confidence. All the best to you, and God.
Thank you, Anushka. Thank you so much. Next, we have Pavleen. Hi, Pavleen.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Absolutely good, ma'am. So, am I clearly visible and audible?
Your video is stuck, I guess. Is it the same for jury members?
Okay. Actually, I'm trying to connect my internet from last so much time. Is it okay now or not?
No, it is still stuck.
Can you just give me 5 minutes so that I can just perform after 5 minutes, please?
Sure, sir. I'll put you into a later, position for that matter. Okay, you can fix it. Okay, so moving forward, let's hear it from Lakshmi. Hi, Lakshmi.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good, ma'am.
You all set?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I am visible.
Yes, you are.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you so much. I would request Nidhi to comment upon your performance.
Hi, Lakshmi.
Hello, ma'am.
लक्ष्मी, आप जब रैंप वॉक करते हो तो दो चीजें बहुत मेन होती है, जैसे कि आपका फुटवेयर जो हमें नहीं दिख रहा था जब आप वॉक कर रहे थे, राइट? क्यों? क्योंकि आपका ड्रेस इतना ज्यादा लंबा था जो आपके लिए भी कंफर्टेबल नहीं था। वो हमें भी दिख रहा है कि आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं थे, आप बार बार ड्रेस को ऊपर कर रहे हो। तो गर्ल्स, जब भी आप रैंप वॉक के लिए जाओ तो आप 2-3 चीजें ध्यान रखो, जैसे आपका फुटवेयर है वो क्लियर होना चाहिए, जो आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो सके उसमें, और दूसरा है ड्रेस, जो आपके फुटवेयर के साथ, अगर आप नीचे फुटवेयर के अगर नीचे ड्रेस आ गया तो प्रॉब्लम आपको हो सकती है, राइट?
Yes.
पर अभी आप मतलब बिल्कुल विजिबल था कि आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं थे, अदरवाइज इट्स गुड, इट्स ओके। सो नेक्स्ट टाइम आप ये सब पॉइंट्स ध्यान रखें। या
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you so much. Moving forward, let's have Sumedha. Hi, Sumedha.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. You say?
You look absolutely gorgeous. Are we all set?
Thank you, ma'am.
Also, I want to appreciate you that Sumedha has, has been keeping her video on for all the while. I appreciate this a lot because I feel it just generates a very strong sense of community and appreciating each other. So yeah, thank you, Sumedha, for doing that. Shows your extra effort and attention to everybody's performance. So all set?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sumedha. Thank you so much. I would request Kirti ma'am to comment upon your performance.
Thank you, Sumedha. Let me just tell you that your hair is looking really, really pretty. Your dress is also looking very pretty. And as Harry said, that your video was on for the whole time. So yes, thank you for that also, that you understand what kind of a community you are a part of. Now, coming to your ramp walk, I just felt that you were a little distracted because of your hair, maybe. That, you know, your ramp walk was not on point. Yes, you started perfectly because, you know, whenever you are doing a performance, how you begin and how you end, that matters a lot. So when you started, it was good. But while you were walking, you seemed a little distracted to me. So from next time, I'm sure you can just take care of that. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sumedha. Thank you so much. Next, Pavleen. Hi, Pavleen. Finally.
Am I visible now and audible also?
I think, yeah, now the video seems better. Yeah.
All right, ma'am. So I'm just going to start now. Okay.
All the best. Thank you, Pavleen. Thank you so much. I would request Shelza to comment upon your performance.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Pavli. It was
Hi, ma'am.
a treat watching you. You are full of confidence. You know that you have a fit body and you exhibited it through your posing, which I quite liked.
Right, ma'am.
And
Thank you.
the visual was very nice. You wore the correct dress. Your poses were bang on. But the only thing is that you were very hurried. It seemed as if you were in a rush to finish it. Okay, so when everything
Okay.
is right, sometimes not finishing it properly, you know, kills the moment. So
Right,
my
ma'am.
suggestion to you is that since you've rehearsed your steps so well and you have the body to flaunt and you did perfectly well, but it would have been much better had you held your poses, you know, or rehearsed them a little better because
Right,
one
ma'am.
you also know that you know you were a little wobbly, especially when you did that twirl, the half circle that you did. So a little bit of more practice, but you were very good. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
the best.
Thank you, Pavleen. Thank you so much. Let's hear it from Rashi. Hi, Rashi. Hi, I can't hear you, Rashi. आपका म्यूट तो वो है like it's आप mic तो on है but we can't hear you. I think there's a problem with the audio. No, in such cases usually earphones work better, but the problem will be that आपका फिर audio भी सुनाई नहीं देगा. So try changing your device. I'll put you in the end, okay? किसी और device से log in कर लो, हाँ जी. Okay, so Meenakshi, are you? Will you be able to appear today? Okay, go ahead. Hi. Rashi, you are not audible, my dear. You know, you will have to change the device. Yeah. Okay. Meenakshi, hi. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
All set?
How are you? Yes, ma'am. थोड़ा light issue है, ma'am. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ.
Okay. Manage हो जाएगा. Are you sure?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Arrange हो जाएगा.
Okay, okay. Then go ahead. All the best.
Start करो.
Thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you so much. I would request Nidhi to comment upon your performance.
Hi, Meenakshi.
Hello, ma'am.
First of all, I love your makeup and hairdo, of course. And I love your footwear, your dress. Everything is perfect. आप walk भी बहुत अच्छा confidence के साथ कर रहे हो. आपके poses भी बहुत बढ़िया. So everything is good.
Thank you.
Lighting issue था थोड़ा,
Thank you, ma'am.
but it's okay.
No, ma'am. Light भी आ गई, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ, वो थोड़ा लग रहा था dark, but it's okay. वो इतना matter नहीं करता.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
मैम यहाँ पे हैवी रेनफॉल हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा इशू हो रहा है लाइट का.
Yeah. सबको network issue थोड़ा बहुत रहता है.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you so much. Moving forward,
Thank you, ma'am.
sequence would be Sharda, Sneha, Payal, Anvesha, and Chaitanya. Hi, Sharda.
Hello, ma'am. How are
How are
you?
you? Sharda, how are you? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Are we all set?
Yeah, ma'am. Just a minute.
Yeah, go ahead. All the best.
Okay, thank you.
Sharda, आपका music audible नहीं है. In case you have played it from your end. Yeah, now
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, now it's audible. Go ahead. You can start again.
Okay.
I cannot see her walk, Harry. There is some network problem.
Thank you, ma'am.
Jury members, were you able to see her walk properly?
It was a little stalled somewhere.
Ma'am, it's because of light, because there is so many guests in my hall area and everywhere because of Ganpati festival. So that's why I couldn't manage.
About it. Kirti ma'am, should we proceed then?
Yeah, if we can do it again towards the end. Yes, Sharda?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can.
Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Yes, Shashi, now I can hear you, so you can perform now.
Hello, everyone.
Yes, Shashi. All set?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashi. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I think Kirti ma'am is a bit occupied. Shelza, would you like to comment upon Rashi's performance?
Yeah, sure. So, Rashi, I really appreciate the venue where you were walking. That was very, very thoughtful. Your
Thank
dress, your dress was pretty, and but I also couldn't stop myself from noticing that the heels in which you are, they were not very comfortable to you, because there were places where your ankle did bend while you were walking. So either your heels are too new or they are too high for you to hold them right. So a little more practice is required. And because you couldn't walk comfortably and confidently in those heels, your posing was also not to the mark. But with enough practice, I'm sure you will reach there. Okay? So all the very best.
Thank you, Rashi. Thank you so much. And let's move forward to Sneha. Hi, Sneha. Sneha, can we please hear from you? Okay, Sneha, it's the end of the show, and if still you need 2 minutes, that's something that needs to be checked upon. Please make sure that doesn't happen again. So we can have Anvesha. Hi, Anvesha. I think we can have your walk now.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Just 1 minute.
Sure.
না দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
Thank you, Anvesha. Thank you so much. I would request Nidhi to comment upon your work.
Hi, Anvesha.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. She's there.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Anvesha. Your walk is good. आपका full profile देखा तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. पहले आपका half upper body दिख रहा था. So it's good. But your eye contact with camera, it's not there. Right? So जब आप ramp walk करते हो तो आपका eye contact कैमरा के साथ, जजेस के साथ होना चाहिए. Yeah? So वो वहाँ पे कहीं miss out हो रहा था आपका. और आप बहुत ज़्यादा nervous लग रहे थे. So आप बहुत अच्छे तैयार हुए, आपका वॉक भी काफी बेटर था, पर आपके फेस पे जो नर्वसनेस है वो दिख रही थी. So be confident, be natural. It's good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Otherwise, it's good. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anvesha. Thank you. And we can have Chaitanya next. Post that, we can have Sharda, Sneha, and last would be Payal. So hi Chaitanya, finally बारी आ गई, इससे ज्यादा पीछे नहीं कर पाएंगे. All set?
Practice করে
Anvesha, please do not unmute yourself. We could have Shelza to comment upon your performance.
Sure. So, Chaitanya, there are a few things that I noticed in your walk. You wore a very beautiful dress. You also set your camera at an angle where you could depict a longer walk. I appreciate that. But my dear, your walk was not according to how you're supposed to walk on the ramp, you know, especially your hand movements. I would request you after this event is over, go back to the recording and see for yourself. The way in which you were moving your hand was very straight and you were fixated. हाँ जी.
हिंदी में मुझे समझा दो जरा.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. पायल, मैं आपसे ये चैतन्य, मैं आपसे ये कह रही हूँ कि आप बहुत अच्छा वॉक कर रहे थे. आपका ड्रेस अच्छा था, लेकिन आपका जो हैंड मूवमेंट था ना, वो बहुत एक ही तरीके का था और बहुत आपने बॉडी के क्लोज रखा हुआ था और बहुत ज्यादा आप नीचे वाला भाग उसका मूव कर रहे थे. तो जब आप रैंप पे वॉक करते हैं तो एक रिदम बनता है बॉडी का. तो जिस पेस पे आप वॉक करते हैं उसी पेस पे आपके हैंड मूवमेंट बहुत सटली होते हैं. तो आप जिस पेस पे वॉक कर रहे थे उस हिसाब से आपका हैंड मूवमेंट बहुत ज्यादा था और आप रेपिटेटिव थे. पोजिंग आपने ज्यादा नहीं करी, आपने एक ही तरीके की पोजिंग बार बार करी, है ना. सो यू हैव टू बी एक्सपेरिमेंटल. थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट करो पोजिंग के साथ और रैंप वॉक थोड़ी बेटर कर सकते हैं. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chaitanya. Thank you so much, Shalda. And moving forward, let's hear it from Sharda. Sharda, are we all set? Let's try again. अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. आप म्यूट पे हैं शारदा. Yeah.
Is it okay now?
I think I think this time the network should be okay. Let's start. Thank you so much. This time your network worked, and I would request Nidhi to comment upon your work.
Hi, Shada.
Hello,
You
ma'am.
dress up very well.
Thank you so
Hi.
much.
आपने बहुत अच्छा वॉक भी अच्छा किया है, बहुत स्टेडी, वेरी नाइस पोजिंग. कहीं कहीं पे आपकी स्माइल आ रही है, जा रही है, आ रही है, जा रही है. So keep smiling, okay? It's good.
Okay, ma'am.
But otherwise it's nice.
Thank you so much.
All the best.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Sharda. Thank you so much. Sneha, can we have you?
Yes, sir, ma'am, you can have me. Am I visible to you?
No, dear, you are not.
Just a minute. Now, am I?
Your camera is on, but your video is blank.
Just a minute. I'll again try. Now,
Yeah.
is it visible to you?
Now you are. Are you all
I'm
set?
extremely. I just lost my internet connection at the time you called my name. It
Oh,
was so embarrassing.
no problem. You look lovely. Love the color of your dress. Are we all set?
Yeah, all set.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you so much. Thank you. I would request Sharda to comment.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I would just like to say one thing, Sneha, कि आप जब रैंप वॉक कर रहे थे तो आप ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे आपको आपने डिसाइड नहीं किया है कि कहाँ पे जाके मैंने क्या पोज करना है. इज दैट ट्रू? आप थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गए थे कि किस तरीके की पोजिंग मैंने करनी है. हाँ?
Yeah, at the main moment, I had to change my location due to light issue. So
Yeah.
location decided previously was different, and now I have to choose different.
हाँ, so वो दिख रहा था आई कुड मेक आउट कि आपने या तो अभी अभी वेन्यू चेंज जब हम करते हैं कहीं प्रैक्टिस किए कहीं हम परफॉर्म करते हैं तो थोड़ा अगर हम तरीके से परफॉर्मेंस को प्रैक्टिस ना करें तो वो दिख जाता है. तो मुझे ऐसी ही फीलिंग हो रही थी कि आप थोड़े से अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट थे क्योंकि आपकी पोजिंग में मुझे दिख रहा था, आपकी वॉक में मुझे दिख रहा था. मे बी आप अगर जहाँ प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे अगर वहीं करते तो शायद आप बेटर परफॉर्म करते. लेकिन always remember कि whenever you have to practice ramp walk, even when you participate in a pageant which is offline, always walk on the ramp before you actually go on the ramp and perform. Nobody stops you. Once the stage is ready, you have to feel the ramp because it's really important. Okay?
Right. Yeah, I take it as a advice. Thank you so much.
Practice a little more. Okay,
Sure.
bye-bye. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sneha. And Payal, would you like to appear today or would you like to get yourself allocated to a later batch? Payal, if you could let me know, then it would be easier for me. Okay, I think she has lost connection. All right, thank you ladies for putting up such a wonderful show. I would request all of you to start your videos at least for the end part while the jury takes over. So I hope you guys had fun. I had a lot of fun. So that was one glamorous and exciting show indeed. And I would request now the experts to take over with their snippet reviews. So over to you, Shalza. I think who better than you to start the review section.
Thank you so much, Sherry. You've been very kind. So I did see all the wonderful girls and some of them had put in a lot of effort. Some of them were just about there today with a few hours of practice. But there are a few do's that I will still give away today also. So whenever you are doing a ramp walk, irrespective of the place where you are doing it, please memorize your poses. You must memorize that at the base of the ramp, in the middle of the ramp, in front ramp, which are the poses that you're going to give. Okay, and how do you practice that? You practice that in front of the mirror. See your profiling. Okay, and in which you feel most confident, you must pose that in front of the camera that day. So don't just go with that attitude that, okay, I'm looking pretty and I'm confident and I'll just pose there. It never happens. To give best poses, you have to rehearse them. You have to rehearse them a couple of times till the time they come straight. Second, hold your poses. Some of you gave beautiful poses, but you did not hold your pose. So count of 3 seconds, hold each pose. Always look towards the camera, assuming that the jury members are seeing you through the camera. Fourth, smile. The moment you smile, so many other flaws get hidden because we get so enamored by the smile. Smile depicts happiness, it depicts positivity, confidence, self-assurance, a lot of other qualities which we see in the finalists, right? And you have to be wearing the correct kind of dress which showcases your walk, your gait while you're walking. You shouldn't be covering your legs too much because then it gets difficult to see through, and your heels. If your heels are your second skin best, then your walk is super smooth. It's like butter. Okay, so for a very good walk, you have to be super, super comfortable in the heels in which you are. So first pick the heel, then pick the dress. Okay, it is that important. So that's all about the tips, Harry, from my side. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Shalza. And now I would request the other expert, Nidhi, to take over.
Thank you so much, Harry. Hi, everyone. You all are amazing. Don't worry, don't be nervous. जब आप रैंक पो करते हो तो सबसे मेन चीज होता है आपका कॉन्फिडेंस, राइट? कॉन्फिडेंस कई जगह पे दिखता है, जैसे आपकी स्माइल, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज. सबसे मेन चीज है आपका फुटवेयर. अगर आपका फुटवेयर प्रॉपर चूज नहीं करोगे आप, तो आप कितना भी अच्छा प्रिपरेशन करोगे, कहीं ना कहीं आप वो माइनस में चले जाओगे, राइट? एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैं शैलजा से डेफिनेटली अग्री हूँ कि आपके अटायर है, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस है, जो आई कांटेक्ट है, वो सब काम करता है. आपको जब ग्रूमिंग सेशंस देते हैं तो वो छोटी छोटी चीजें आपको बताते हैं, बट जब आप उसको एक साथ करते हो तो वो रैंप वॉक बनता है, राइट? सो बी नेचुरल, बी कॉन्फिडेंट. आप लोगों को अपने आप को प्रूव करना है, किसी को कुछ नहीं दिखाना, सिर्फ आप जो हो, आप में जो टैलेंट है वही दिखाना है, राइट? सो गर्ल्स, ऑल द बेस्ट. यू ऑल आर अमेजिंग. डोंट वरी.
Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you so much for spreading so much positivity. And I would request now the director to take over. Kirti ma'am, are you there with us? Okay, let me just check onto that. I'll just see. Just give me a minute, guys.
Hi, Harry. Hello, everyone.
Yes, Kirti ma'am, it's your turn to take over.
Yes, I am so sorry. There was a very important phone call that I had to take. So I pretty much saw all the performances. A very good evening to all of you, and thank you so much, each one of you, for preparing so well, because today I could see कि आपकी preparation on point है, with respect to the surroundings, the floor that you've chosen, the space that you've chosen. रैंप वॉक में थोड़ा सा हमें और काम करने की जरूरत है. I'm sure Shelza must have said the same, that technically, we need to be a little bit more on point, because as I always say, all of you are queens, right? We all are a part of this community, and I want to see you more confident each passing day. और वो confidence कैसे आता है? When you kill every skill each passing day. मतलब रोज आप एक नई चीज सीखते हो and you become more confident. सिर्फ सीखना, you're just being trained and groomed, but if you are not putting in any efforts from your side, तो उससे कोई मदद नहीं होने वाली है. Trust me. अगर 10% आपको trainings यहाँ से मिल रही है, the trainers are putting in so much efforts, so 90% is what you are doing, how you're practicing, how you're inculcating that into your practice. So that matters a lot. Just keep your fingers crossed, keep working hard, be passionate towards where you want to see yourself, and trust me, most of you are going to be there for the grand finale, which happens in Jaipur. So all the best from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, jury members. It was an absolute pleasure having each one of you. I shall take your leave and just have some parting words with the participants.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Harry. It was a pleasure having
Thank you so much, Kriti.
you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Have a lovely evening.